Hello, and welcome to Eating Healthy with Michelle. My name is Michelle Schubert, and I work for Iowa State University Extension and Outreach in Cerro Gordo County. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about this one. Any ideas what it might be? Today, we're going to learn about pineapple. So first, do you think pineapple is a fruit or a vegetable? Give me 2 claps if you think it is a fruit. Give me 2 claps if you think it is a vegetable. Pineapple is a fruit. So how does it grow? Pineapple grows as a plant. The pineapple crown, or the top part of the plant, is used to plant a new pineapple plant. When you eat the pineapple, I hope you enjoy it because it takes a long time to grow. The first crop of pineapple takes between 18 and 20 months, or a year and a half, to grow the pineapple. The next crop will take another 15 months. So the pineapple requires a subtropical or tropical environment, which means it's warm year-round. So you will not find pineapple growing in Iowa. In the United States, the pineapple grows year-round in Hawaii, Southern California, and Southern Florida. The pineapple originated in Brazil and Paraguay in South America. The interesting things about pineapple is that the name pineapple comes from its similarity to the pine cone, and the pineapple is a symbol of hospitality or a gift. When picking pineapple from the store, you want to look for pineapple that is plump, heavy for its size, fresh looking with a fresh green crown top. And a ripe pineapple usually is mostly yellow, especially at the base. You want to avoid pineapples that have soft or dark spots and have dry looking leaves. Pineapples do not ripen after they have been picked. So how are some ways that we could eat pineapple? Pineapple can be eaten fresh, canned, dried, frozen, or you can drink it as pineapple juice. Pineapple can be added to fruit salads, like this magical fruit salad. Salsas, grilled or cooked, added to stir fries or Chinese dishes, like the sweet and sour rice. To casserole dishes, smoothies, and as the topping on a pizza, like this Mama's Pizza Boats. Pineapple can be added to desserts like pies, cheesecakes, ice cream, and cakes like pineapple upside down cake, or as pineapple snap cakes. These recipes are all from Spend Smart, Eat Smart. You can find the links to these recipes in the description box of this YouTube video. So why should we eat pineapple? Pineapple has vitamin C. Vitamin C helps our body in 3 different ways. It helps get rid of the germs in our body, can help heal our cuts and bruises, and can help keep our skin healthy. Pineapple also has fiber. Fiber helps our tummy or our digestive system. It can help us feel full longer in between meals. This week, I encourage you to try some pineapple at home. If you would like to know some more information about pineapple or some recipes to try at home, check out the newsletter that goes along with this video. You can find it on our website. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.